Welcome back to CC's Garage. Today we're going to go over something a little bit different. About a car trailer probably 12 years ago. I've been using it. It never was the best. It had some issues. And we'll get a look at it here, and I'll go over the issues as we're talking about it. So this is my little car trailer. It works great as long as you don't have anything bigger than a Mustang or wider, so small cars only. I've put 4 new tires on it, which helped one of the issues I had. When I load a car, I've got to put a jack under the back to keep it from popping off. Didn't come with ramps, so I had to have a set made. But one of the biggest issues is, even though there's drums and all, this trailer doesn't have brakes at all. Well, that was kind of okay until the other day when I was bringing back one of my Mustangs where it broke down, wiring issue with the fuel pump. So I had it loaded and I was coming down a small hill, and as I was coming down the small hill, had somebody pull in front of me, which I was giving myself plenty of room to stay back to where I could get stopped. Well, they waited till the last second and hit their brakes. I probably had 8 inches between my front bumper and back bumper when I got stopped. Now this is the car I was hauling. Of course, on top of it lays part of what I'm going to be doing in this video, part of the tool I'm going to be using in this video. But we'll get over here behind the truck. And there it is with the setup on the old truck, which I would have used my Silverado to pull the trailer, which I wouldn't have had any problem stopping it. But first gear's out. But this is my new Premier 20-foot trailer, heavy duty, dual axles, dual brakes, the fold down ramps. You come around and you look, you got nice securing hook, you got the red rail with the stake pockets, which the brakes was one of the big reasons I wanted to go with it. And then you check out the jack and how it sets up. So, nice little light package. But today what we're going to be working on is I'm going to take some Thompson water seal and go ahead and use that sprayer and seal this deck. Get at least one coat on it today. Let it cure up, and then I'll come back later and do a second. And now there are some little issues, things like right there with that board. Their paint jobs aren't the best in the world, but the trailer pulls great. I pulled it home yesterday. I don't have the trailer brakes hooked up yet. I'd undone them in the truck to rewire them and hadn't needed to put them back, so I hadn't put the controller back in. But overall, I mean, this trailer's definitely light years above what I had. I mean, you figure I went from a Hyundai to a Cadillac. I mean, needs a few other things, you know, winch hookup, but, well, since I'm starting to ramble on, lose what I'm wanting to talk about, I'm going to go get the Thompson water seal and get you set up and show you show me spraying it down, and then show you what it looks like after I get it down there, and then we'll go from there. Okay, here's what I'm going to be using to do it with. I got a gallon of the Thompson water seal and then a little Ace pump sprayer that's in a half a gallon. I figure one time use for this, didn't need a bigger one. I'll use a pump sprayer, and then when I get done with it, later on I'll throw it away if I don't need it again.